Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on SBI. Our analyst maintains buy rating on SBI with a price target of Rs 975. We believe the bank is likely to sustain ROE of 16 to 28% in the near to medium term. Overall asset quality outlook is stable, valuation are cheap as compared to ROE trajectory. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 1.2 times FY25 and 1 times FY26 core book value estimates. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months. Next we cover Punjab National Bank. Our analyst maintains buy rating on PNB with a price target of Rs 125. Sustained improvement in asset quality is encouraging and outlook remains strong, led by strong recoveries from bad loan pools. Risk reward is favorable given the recent underperformance, and it can now create buffers for the additional ECL provisioning requirement, if any, within the guided credit cost range and still report ROA at 1%. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 0.9 times its FY25 and 0.8 times FY26 adjusted book value. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.